بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The Garmin eTrex 10 is a budget-friendly handheld GPS device designed for outdoor navigation and tracking. It works without internet or mobile network. Instead, it uses GPS satellites to show your exact location anywhere. The device comes with a basic built-in world map and allows you to save important locations as waypoints, such as your home, fishing spots, or travel points. One of its key features is track recording. As you move, it records your path on the map, so you can easily return using the same route. Using the navigation feature, you can select a saved waypoint and press Go. The compass screen will guide you with an arrow pointing directly toward your destination. The eTrex 10 offers excellent battery life, running up to 20-25 hours on just 2 AA batteries. It does not include advanced sensors like a magnetic compass or barometric altimeter, so it needs movement to show accurate direction. You can also load GPX files via USB to add multiple waypoints or geocaches. This device is ideal for hiking, fishing, travel tracking, and basic land navigation. Overall, the Garmin eTrex 10 is a simple, reliable, and affordable GPS device, perfect for beginners and outdoor users. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.